Hello students, I am again here. This is Poonam Bhatti from Little Angel School. Students, today we are covering the day 2 of your chapter 2. In this video, we will covering the remaining places of your chapter 2. That is chapter 2. So students, your second chapter, that is the uses of computer. As we know that, and in the previous video we had to cover the uses of computer, home, school, shops and departmental store, office, hospitals, bank. We had to cover these topics, these places. Today we are covering the next place, that is the airport and railway station. Okay students, so let's get started. Students, in this video today we are going to cover the railway station and airport. Place a railway station and airport. In this slide you can see the two pictures. First picture, this one is railway station picture and second one is airport picture. Okay, in these two pictures you can see these one which I circled. In this picture you can see a lady use the computer at airport for maintain the information of passenger, for maintain the records of airplane, etc. The all information, the whole information about the airport. Okay, so let's come. Computer are used to book tickets and make inquiry of passenger. You can make the inquiry of passenger. If you want to some inquiry of particular person, then you can check in the computer, and after that you have to know about their IDs, their uh, ticket number, etc. Okay. Student, this is the slide in which some tasks are there which is performed by the computer in airport and railway station. In airport and railway station, you use the computer for book and cancel the tickets. You use the computer keep details of passenger. You use the computer keep information about the arrival and departure of airplanes and trains. So these types of information are stored in the computer. Now the is next place, film and advertisement. You all are seeing the films and advertisement. You watch the cartoons now. So these cartoons are made with the help of computers. Okay, with the help of computer, you can add the special effect in your cartoon. You can add the special effect in your advertisement also. And like films like Jurassic Park, Spider-Man, and My Friend Ganesha are made with the help of computers. Cartoon films are mostly made on computer. We see many advertisements in a television. They are also made with the help of computer. Okay. I already told you can give the special effect with the help of computer, because in computers some options are there. Next slide, you can see the two pictures. Okay, first one Spider-Man, and second one is dinosaur. Okay, these spider and these dinosaur picture are animated pictures. Okay, You see the movies of Spider-Man? Yes, which is made by the computer. Because in this picture, some special effects are there, which is which is add with the help of computer. You know, students, dinosaurs are no more in our world, but yet you can see the dinosaur picture. This picture is made by the computer with the help of computer. So we can see that in film and advertisement, computer can perform the major tasks that, for example, the special effects, or for example, adding sounds, videos, etc. in film and advertisement place. Okay, students. So we can say that computer has widely used in film and advertisements. Next is space and research. Students, can you tell me how you know the weather information? Weather forecasting information? Yes. The weather forecasting information are come with the help of computer, because in this space research, the supercomputer are used, and in supercomputer all the information about the planet, about the research, space are stored in your special computer, that is called the supercomputers. So we can say that in space and research, computer has widely used. Computer perform very important role. Computers are of great use at Space Research Center and at rocket launching station. They help to perform the following tasks: launch and control the satellite. You can launch the control the. You can also control the satellite and rockets with the help of computer. You can receive and study. You can receive the data by the satellite. I already told you, with the help of computer, by the satellite, you can receive the information about the planet, about the weathers, okay, and you can study about the planets also, okay. So we can see that you can receive and study data sent by the satellite. Okay, students. So this is all about the space and research. Now the last place is hotels and restaurants. Computer has widely used in hotel and restaurants. In restaurant, you can make the bills of food ordered by the people, and in hotels, you can keep the records of guests. Okay, students. So, students, this is your textbook in which I already told you we can book the rooms in hotel using computer. In restaurant, computer are used to keep the records of food items, to receive order and to print bills. So, students, this is all about the places where computer has widely used. Now, students, get it my point? Very good, student. I know. So, students, this is the homework time. Your homework is read about the places of computer. I repeat, read and learn about the places of computer which are present in your textbook. Okay, students? So, students, have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.